Smart choice for more than 200,000 users. QD Electronic, the world's top pioneer in the field of interactive display. Ikenor is committed to providing professional OEM and ODM service to brand customers, which includes custom design, development, and manufacturing services for interactive display equipment. With cost-effective planning and manufacturing solutions, we aim to provide the best products and services to our customers. Moreover, considering after-sales maintenance cost, our monitor is designed with a modular structure in hardware. Deep cultivation of technology, breakthrough innovation. We incorporate technology leadership into its development strategy, gathers top talents in the industry, and builds an elite team. It has core technologies in the professional fields of PCAP screens and interactive displays. It has reached strategic cooperation with many domestic colleges. The titles of High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Province Specialized and Special New, and a number of patent certificates ensure that the core technology always leads the super large-size intelligent interactive touch products. In the fields of smart education, smart medical, conference collaboration, home entertainment, etc. Innovative interactive application solutions, and continue to expand the metaverse, new retail, and other multi-application fields. Factory production area more than 30,000 square meters. LCM production capacity planning 50,000 units per year. IFP assembly line production capacity 60,000 units per year. Self-developed 110-inch full vacuum stickers. It is the first domestic manufacturer that adopts vacuum lamination technology for large-scale lamination. The world's first large-volume vacuum lamination shipment company. PCAP TP production capacity 40,000 pieces per year. Established the second large-scale automatic lamination line in the complete machine industry. On the industry's first 110-inch super large automatic. The sales of our displays has been exceeded 200,000 units, benefiting more than 10 million students. Pay attention to details and strive for excellence. In terms of product packaging and storage, more than 10,000 square meters of storage space, strict and scientific management escort our products. Our 2448 full service system, from cooperation negotiation, pre-sales training, sales follow-up, technical support, delivery and installation, and other services. We promise respond to customer complaints within 2 hours and come up with solutions within 48 hours to assist the customers and develop together. We are always adhere to the business philosophy of winning market competitiveness with low-cost manufacturing, winning customer respect with high-quality products, winning customer satisfaction with nanny service. Customer success is the first priority. We have a professional marketing team and a business layout. Keep abreast of the market cutting-edge technology trends and customer needs, and provide global customers with convenient and efficient technical services and support. Take small steps to reach 1,000 miles. The second phase of our industrial park is currently under construction. All workers are driven by technological innovation, integration of production and sales, global layout, and corporate culture of gratitude and kindness possible.